so today we have for you the 3DOODLER Start Essentials Pen Set.
Yes, we do.
Doodle anything in 3D. Safe, easy, unlimited fun.
Awesome.
And we also have the Robot and Rocket Doodleblock Kit. Now we have to thank 3DOODLER for sending this to us.
Thank you.
So you guys ready to get this stuff out of the box?
Yep.
All right. All right, guys, so we got everything out of the box.
Yeah.
Now, the things that came in the Essentials Pen Set include the 3D printing pen, 2 packs of eco-plastic. There's also a USB charging cable, which we don't have on the table at the moment. The 3DOODLER Start Activity Guide. Right, where there's awesome ideas to make your creations, right?
Pew, pew, pew.
We'll check that out when we start creating. Now, Lindsay, you have all the things that came in the Robot and Rocket set.
Yep, I do.
Which includes 2 unique themed doodle blocks, 48 strands of 3DOODLER stars, eco-plastic in 8 colors, and a doodle block guide.
Right here. It's smaller.
Cool. Shall we get creating?
Yes, we shall.
All right, guys, so who's gonna create something first?
I will.
All right, so we're using the activity guide, and we're gonna try a butterfly?
Yep, bird.
Awesome.
I'm gonna grab a color. Red. I pick red. It's a stick. Look at the stick.
It's very easy to put in the pen, right?
Well, you had one in there from before when you tried it just to sample it.
Yeah.
So there's a little bit of orange left.
Oh, orange coming out suddenly now.
That's okay, because it needed the other stick behind it to push it, because I think the other one was almost out.
Now, what's nice about the materials is that they're kid-safe, eco-plastic filaments that are non-toxic, fully biodegradable, and BPA-free, leaving no messy resins or glue. And what's great about this pen, too, is it's safe to touch components. It's low-heat tip. It operates wirelessly.
That's very interesting.
What did you just do that for? I think you just messed up your work now.
What you should do, Lindsay, is load up another stick too as you go, because it goes through them quick, so it doesn't have to keep.
So what color do you want next? I'll load it in there for you.
Yellow.
And just so everyone knows, we did charge this before we started using it.
Let me load another cartridge in and another yellow. You know what you want to do? You can connect these. That and this. So connect it to this red one with the round, like that.
guys. That came out awesome.
Yeah, look at the wings.
Beautiful.
It's so pretty.
Very pretty.
There's a lot of stuff you can do. Look at this green dino over here. That looks pretty hard because you have to put all the pieces together good. And look at this Eiffel Tower.
Wow.
That looks super pretty with all the colors. And then this thing right here, that looks cool. The guitar, so pretty. The little mask over here, a helicopter, a butterfly, which we just did, glasses, everything. And you can get creative if you want.
These are how you make these things. It's like a stencil. Got a plant,
Yep.
Cool.
Nice.
Eiffel Tower. This. A couple of different designs of those actually. Picture frame. How to make a picture frame.
Wow, look at that.
You put a skull.
Cool.
I just say skull. Put a skull down.
Now this is probably one of the hardest of them.
Ooh, that looks cool.
This would probably be cool if it glow in the dark.
Yes, that would be good glow in the dark.
Little tower with
Nice.
the clock on it. Nice. It is so beautiful.
A helicopter
Everything is so cool.
and the mask. And that's it.
Very nice.
Yep.
Okay, so guys, we got a rocket, stencil, and we got a robot stencil. And we're gonna be trying them out. I'll try out the robot. Ammo! It's like a bone. Break a bone.
Now that came out pretty easily, right? Cool.
Just try to pop out those feeties. The feeties.
Starter stick. Yeah.
The feet.
Liz, what are you gonna create?
Making a small little ring. Here.
Gets ears.
No, I don't need ears. Do I?
Because it'll be cool because you have the blue. It gets ears. And then you can attach this part. Done. Inside is the ring.
Hello.
Got it?
Kind of a big size.
Kitty, kitty,
What size is that for a ring?
Kitty cat ring.
Super cute.
So cute. All right, guys. So what do you think of the 3Doodler start?
I like it.
So much fun. You did a great job, guys.
Yep.
Really awesome. Now, just so everyone knows, this retails for $49.99 and will be available at retailers nationwide. And we have to thank 3Doodler again for sending this to us, right, guys?
Thank you. Until next time, guys.